Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Aquarius. Po na mensahe po ninyo ay it's time to play. Ayan. You're working too hard and worrying about everything. Seek out joyous experiences to bring balance into your life. Okay? So, kailangan din ninyo ngayon na mag-unwind, you need to play, 'di ba? Kasi parang lagi na lang kayong nakafocus sa trabaho, sa obligasyon, sa responsibilidad, no? Sa duties, yung gano'n. And maybe you don't have time to replenish your lost energy, no? You've been working so hard, nag-worry kayo, na-stress kayo at lahat. So, kailangan mo din ng breather, okay? Aquarius? Archangel Michael is with you now. Even though you can't see it, I am actively working on this situation. I am here and helping you. So, napaka-blessed ninyo kasi si Archangel Michael laging nandyan. No? Nandiyan siya, kasama mo sa ngayon. Kahit hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo nararamdaman, but He is actively working sa inyong sitwasyon at tinutulungan ka niya. Nandiyan siya, tinutulungan ka na maging maayos ang inyong sitwasyon. Don't give up on love. A relationship you cherish can be healed. Allow me to clear the way for forgiveness so that love can thrive again. So siguro merong rough patch na pinagdadaanan ng iba sa inyo dito with your relationship with your person, ano? At nandito siya, sabi ni Archangel Michael, maaayos pa yan, that can be healed, magiging magkakausap kayo, no, at magkakapatawaran. Tutulugan kanya na maging malinaw ang inyong pag-uusap at tutulugan ka ni Archangel Michael na maklear yung daan para magkaroon ka ng pakiramdam ng pagpapatawad, no? You would be able to forgive your person dito, no? So maaring kayong dalawa magkakapatawaran. Wag mong sukuan, wag mong sukuan ang pagmamahal. Trust in divine purpose. This experience has divine meaning. Healing will come. Know that you are on a path of growth. Ayan. At magtiwala ka, no? Magtiwala ka lang, Aquarius, na merong purpose ang lahat. Okay? Meron ng purpose ang lahat. Merong dahilan kung bakit nangyayari ang mga bagay-bagay sa buhay natin. Lahat merong rason. Lahat merong dahilan kung bakit nangyayari ang mga bagay-bagay. Kaya, huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Everything happens in divine order and timing, hindi ba? Everything is unfolding according to the divine plan. Kaya wag ninyong pagdudahan ang ibang mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have be a light to others. You have a powerful message to share. Shine your light on the world so that others can learn from you. So, ito yung mission ninyo sa ngayon. No? Aquarius, this is your mission in life sa ngayon. So, siguro, kayo yung parang pinagkukuhanan ng inspirasyon ng maraming tao. Maybe you are a leader, maybe you are a motivational speaker, baka isa kang life coach, isang teacher, spiritual guide, spiritual counselor, mga ganon siguro. Along those lines siguro yun magiging trabaho ninyo or yun ang ginagawa na ninyo sa ngayon. No, kayo yung parang rock, no, ng maraming tao. Kayo yung pinaghuhugutan ng kanilang lakas. So that's really a huge, mission, no, sa buhay. Open your heart. No one is perfect. Stop judging yourself and others. Let love heal the situation. Okay? Patawarin nyo na inyong sarili, Aquarius, no? Forgive yourself. Kasi parang napipick up ko rito, maybe you have failed on something at you're blaming yourself, no? Sinisisi ninyo yung sarili ninyo kung bakit hindi kayo nagtagumpay. Alalahanin niyo wala namang perfect, 'di ba? Sa atin, no one is perfect. Only God is perfect. But hindi tayo perfect. Kaya wag ninyong pahirapan ang inyong sarili. Don't crucify yourself because of one failure. Okay? Kasi lahat, na tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng bagay nangyayari sa mundo may dahilan. There's always a purpose in everything. Kaya, and you will find out, no? You will find out kung bakit nangyari ang mga nangyari. Hindi lang sa panahon na gusto ninyo, but eventually, you will realize, you will encounter a situation na yun ang mag-explain sa'yo kung bakit nangyari ang mga nangyari. Okay? So, what else? Deeper insights are at hand. Your overall plan is good, but the details need work. So, reflect before moving forward, okay? Para hindi masayang ang oras ninyo, para you're gonna make sure, no, na everything is going to fall into its right place. So, maganda ang plano. May plano kayo, that is good, pero kailangan pa ninyo itong pag-aralan, kailangan pa ninyong pagdiskartehan mabuti. Okay? Do not jump into it right away na hindi ninyo pinag-isipan at pinagplanuhan. Okay? To ensure success. Alright? Trust your angels. Let go of your expectations of how your dreams will come true. Trust that heaven has a perfect plan. Ayan. Lahat tayo, magtiwala ka lang, Aquarius. Lahat tayo, bawat isa sa atin, merong perfect plan ang divine universe. Kaya, i-release na natin kung ano man ang mga expectations natin. I-release na natin yung control over doon sa kung ano yung gusto nating mangyari or maging resulta ng ating mga ginagawa. Because, if it's not, hindi yung parte ng divine plan, kahit anong gawin natin, kahit anong pilit natin, kahit anong gawin natin kontra or pag-i-insist, kung anong gusto natin, no, it will not happen, 'di ba? Kaya let's just surrender, no, to the divine universe, surrender to the natural ebb and flow of life, and allow destiny to unfold organically. Okay? Hayaan na natin. Let go and let God. Kasi basta alam natin merong perfect plan ng Panginoon para sa atin. So good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.